Hello, today I am with very yumlicious sticks. So these are bread sticks, chicken bread sticks. Yumlicious chicken bread sticks. Its ingredients, easily you can find the ingredients in your kitchen. So ingredients are chicken boneless 300 gram, bread 3 slices, garlic 5 cloves, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, carrot 1 shredded. So you must take the shredded carrot here now. Egg 1 medium, and blend all the things in blender for 1 minute, like chicken, carrot, egg, black pepper, salt, cloves, all these things. So all these things blend in the blender, and then put it in pan and steam for 20 minutes in oven, like this. And then cut it into sticks and dip in egg, then coat it with breadcrumbs and then fry. So here, this one, cut this one into sticks and then fry it, coat it with breadcrumbs and then fry it. This one, breadcrumbs and then egg and then fry. These are the 3 steps. Very yumlicious sticks are ready. Enjoy these sticks with ketchup. So here, just give one try. I am giving you the guarantee that you and your family will enjoy eating this.